Ren Crypto has surpassed all expectations and is hitting new heights. Want to know all about it? Stay tuned till the end. Hey crypto lovers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about why you should own at least 1,000 Ren coins. But before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Done? Let's get started. Ren is an open protocol developed to provide interoperability and liquidity between different blockchain platforms. Previously known as Republic Protocol, Ren launched RenVM, its virtual machine mainnet, in May 2020, having completed a $34 million initial coin offering in 2018. The protocol's native token, Ren, acts as a bond for those running nodes which power RenVM, called Darknodes. Ren targets to expand the interoperability and hence accessibility of decentralized finance by removing hurdles involved in liquidity between blockchains. Ren was founded by Taiyang Zhang, who is currently its CEO, in 2017. Initially called Republic Protocol, Ren was first publicized in January 2018, with Zhang explaining its original use case as a decentralized dark pool. Zhang himself has a lot of experience in the cryptocurrency space, having also co-founded crypto hedge fund Virgil Capital. Before that, Zhang co-founded NewCode, a software and web development company, in 2014. Ren is a complex platform with various use cases, but it is ultimately intended to overcome barriers to entry and investment for DeFi projects. It permits DeFi projects to bring foreign cryptocurrency assets such as Bitcoin and Zcash to their offerings as a plugin. More broadly, users can essentially swap any token between any two blockchains without intermediate steps, such as using so-called wrapped versions of tickets, for example, wrapped Bitcoin and wrapped Ethereum. RenVM is a network of virtual computers building up a virtual machine. The machines powering the web which makes up RenVM are called Darknodes. Ren charges various fees for internal operations, but most do not go towards direct profitability instead of being paid to miners. As an ERC20 token, Ren also attracts varying gas fees to power transactions. Ren has a fixed supply cap of 1 billion tokens. Ren conducted a pre-sale and public token sale in 2018, during which a total of 60.2% of the supply was sold to investors. Ren has a reserve fund that was initially allocated to 19.9% of the total supply, while another 9.9% was given internally to advisors, the team, and its founders. Team tokens came with a 2-year lockup period, with a 6-month lockup for advisor allocations. Another 10% of the Ren supply is intended explicitly for activities such as partnerships and development. Ren is an ERC20 standard token. The live Ren price today is $1.14 US, with a 24-hour trading volume of $102,642,725 US. We update our Ren to USD price in real time. Ren is up 0.03% in the last 24 hours. The current ranking of Ren token is number 92, with a live market cap of $1,135,218,674 US. It has a circulating supply of 997,764,051 Ren coins and a maximum supply of 1 billion Ren coins. No wonder the history of Ren value has been very much predictable. As mentioned before, Ren ICO to the public that was below 4 cents made a huge debut, shooting the value in May 2018 to 13 cents. Yet, by winter 2018, the value of Ren/USD fell down to 1.5 cents. That was just 1/4 of the initial ICO price of Ren. With Bitcoin rising up to become a public choice in 2019, it provided momentum to altcoins prices, including the value of Ren, and it hit an all-time high of 15 cents. The impressive rally of the Ren/USD price kept going on with marginal corrections before making a difference of 9 cents at the end of 2019. As a decentralized finance token, the Ren price forecast marked a massive retreat in 1 year. Another primary reason was that the sector provided alternative and diversified investment options to Bitcoin and other digital assets. So while some finance assets touched all-time highs, the Ren/USD price was still struggling, forming a resistance that was much anticipated at 28 cents and 30 cents respectively. the price of REN featured bouncing back, gaining traction of 24 cents and 22 cents along with its trading volume. REN as a token has been showing significant price changes in the market. Listed on a number of major exchanges, the token has a market capital of $947,697,066 and is currently having a circulation of 997,163,051 REN in the market. At the time of making this video, the current price of REN is trading around 95 cents US. Even though many crypto experts consider that the coin might hit a record price in the coming years, there are many people who devalue this digital asset, which is an option for millions. The end of the past year was tough with eagerness to say bye to. Mainly due to the pandemic, negative trends were prevailing, dropping the REN price to 20 cents. Yet, the beginning of 2021 meant REN price could bid goodbye to all negative and pessimistic price trends for the world of cryptocurrencies, especially for the REN industry. It could be the beginning of an era of hopes and promises full of optimism. There could be a prediction of miracles in the world of cryptocurrencies like REN, and there could be magic in the short term. 5 years is a very long time. With the new vaccination coming to the fore, as per experts' predictions, it can be a boom time for REN. Investors of cryptocurrencies always aim for the long term rather than the short term. By the ending of 2021, the REN price can pass the $1.40 price level. It will not be an exaggeration that this priced cryptocurrency might break all the boundaries and withstand the test of time, hitting a peak of 66 cents. By the end of the year 2022, the REN price would cross the $2 price level. As per the REN price forecast, the REN price is estimated to cross $2.40 by the beginning of 2023. The anticipated high for the year 2023 is $3.50, and the low will be $2. The average REN price estimation for the end of 2023 is $3. As per the REN coin price prediction, REN is estimated to cross $3.60 by the start of 2024. With a little bit of patience and keeping the hopes high in the long term, investors can expect a turnaround by the end of 2025 as the adoption of REN would grow exponentially, by when REN would be no more a naive entrant in the world of cryptocurrencies, but a seasoned player at $5. The day is not far when REN will dominate the whole exchange, and a cohort of the REN community starts talking about fixing the price at a predetermined level to avoid the skyrocketing phenomenon. But we want you to know that all investments come with risk and the volatile crypto market. It's always good to consult a financial advisor and do your research before investing, as we do not provide financial advice. Let us know which coin you love the most in the comments below, and do hit the thumbs up if you found this video interesting. See you soon with another video. Until then, bye!